Chronological story of British expansion till 1857. From the fall of the Mughals to the roar of 1857, every step of British expansion was planned, precise, and political. Let's trace 150 years of Indian history that shaped the colonial rule in just 3 minutes. After Aurangzeb's death in 1707, the Mughal Empire disintegrated. Bengal, Awadh, Hyderabad each carved out its own power. Meanwhile, Europeans, Portuguese, Dutch, French, English fought for trade. Finally, the English East India Company used intrigue and alliances to win Plassey in 1757, and the story of conquest began. In Buxar 1764, the company defeated a combined Indian alliance, securing the Diwani of Bengal in 1765. Then came reforms, Regulating Act 1773, Pitt's India Act 1784, linking London with Calcutta. Cornwallis 1793 introduced the permanent settlement, while Wellesley's subsidiary alliance made Indian rulers dependent on British troops. By 1818, after the Third Anglo-Maratha War, India's map had turned largely British. The British now ruled and restructured. They banned the sati in 1829, introduced English education in 1835, and built railways and telegraphs. But under Dalhousie during 1848 to 1856, annexations soared. Satara, Jhansi, Nagpur, and Awadh fell through the doctrine of lapse. Economic drain, land revenue pressure, and social mistrust deepened resentment. For UPSC, remember the flow. Plassey to Buxar, Diwani, permanent settlement, subsidiary alliance, doctrine of lapse to revolt. These aren't just dates, they're turning points of empires. Save this video, master this timeline, and you'll never forget 1857 again.